Hello and welcome to March West Junction TMD, and today we're at the NEC. It's a Friday and it's set-up day for the Model Railway exhibition that's going to be held there over the weekend. So what I'll do, I'll try and give you some footage throughout the day of the place being set up, but as you can see it's basically empty at the moment. There's a bit of TMC over there. I'm not sure if that's Cheltenham Models over there. And obviously we've got Gauge Master, and I'm going to be here in the centre on the Pico Rail 200 diorama display. So grab yourself a drink, and I hope you enjoy with the rest of the footage. Okay, so it's about 11:30. As you can see, there's still plenty to set up. This is where the YouTubers will be doing their sort of talk. As you can see down the bottom's the catering, and there's the train that the Curascales brought in. And over the weekend I'll be here if you want to come and say hello on the Pico Rail 200, and this will be with all the dioramas linked together. So please come over and say hello if you see me and introduce yourself. It'll be a pleasure. And as you can see, we're starting to lay out some of the dioramas. This is Joe's diorama of New Street Station, which is, was one of the winners in the competition. So you'll know him on YouTube as Dudley Central. And there's some fantastic dioramas. I think this one's called Voyager End or something like that. I haven't got the labels out for them yet, as you can see, but they've all got to be connected up, and there'll be a continuous run of trains going round. So basically it'll start off down here in a loop. There'll be both sides. It'll be going round and then going down the other side as well, back in a loop. And this is the fiddle yard that we're putting in, and it'll all be automated. So please come over and see us and say hello. Okay, so when you come through the doors, this is how it's looking. We're about 4 o'clock at the moment, so it's still a lot to set up. And as you come through, the first stand you'll come to is Rapido, and as you can see they've got this nice narrow gauge loco, because obviously they're bringing these out in 009. And then to the left you've got your Squires, and there's quite a bit of trade over here and layouts. There's LMM with their modular layout, which they're setting up at the moment.
It might even work.
It will do, I've got faith in you.
I'm glad
As you can see, there's quite a bit of trade. And there's going to be layouts all round mixed in. So I won't take you down there at the moment because there's still a lot setting up. So that's what you see down on the left hand side. And then on the right hand side obviously you've got BRM. Right behind that we've got rails. And then you've got locomotion. There's ESU, and then you've got the Pico stand, and then TMC, and then I'm trying to move the camera as slow as I can so I don't make people feel sick. You've got Cheltenham Models, Ellis Clark, and again they'll have all their bargains. Some more trade over here. Now this stand was at Statfold, and they have some really good bargains. As you can see, it goes all the way up to the top there. I'm going to take you all the way up. This is going to be the Lego on this side. As you can see, there's more layouts being assembled up there. We've got more trade. So hopefully this will help you manoeuvre around the show or show in this video. I think this is to do with laser cutting. You got Revolution, then you got Westall Wagon Works, and then you got the big Hornby stand there. Like I say, there's Pico over there, and you got TMC.
Almost done.
And like I say, it's integrated with all layouts as well. And then here we got trains for you, and these are worth checking out because they have these bargain boxes. And if you remember, at Statfold they did fantastic bargains. Here we got rail stuff. As you can see, there's loads of trade and layouts over the back. This is where I'll be over the weekend, on the Rail 200 Pico, which is the modular builds. And we're still just finishing off assembling. As you can see, it's just wiring it all up with some fantastic models. The quality of the modelling is outstanding. And we had 650, just over, applicants that made dioramas, well, all modules. As you can see, there's the winner, one of the winners there, which is based on New Street Station. It's under 16s, and this will all be running, connected over the weekend. If you want your signals, they'll be on this stand here. They do all your colour light signals. And then you got your stage over here. And this is where the YouTubers will be doing their question and answers. I think Jenny Kirk's on there tomorrow. And you've got a Curascale just over here as well. So it's going to be a fantastic show. There's quite a lot going on. I think over the back Oxford's rails over there somewhere, over by Gauge Master. So and it will finish roughly where the train is, that you can ride on train, which is just over the back here. And then there's all the different places to eat over the back. There's a load more layouts here. There's loads of societies there as well. So you've got the Fairbourne Miniature Railway. This will be the ride on train. There's a big area here for seating. But I will warn you, the food is quite pricey. I had fish and chips from there last year and it was quite expensive. And then if we come up this side, there's no DCC concepts here this year, but they're being represented here, as you can see, by KMS, and they've got a massive stand. AGR is here as well, and I've noticed a lot of these stands now are doing a lot of second hand. You got Kato, you got Hellion, we got Peachy.
It's like the Mary Celeste.
I know. Soon got set up and buggered off.
I'm walking around with this thing and I'm frightened. I don't want to be responsible for it anymore.
We've got Gauge Master over here as well. So that's this where WWC is going to be. So they've only just started to set up. That's one to check out, Footplate Models. They're a sponsor of the show and they've got some fantastic deals. I had a quick look before they covered up. Some real bargains if you're after a second-hand bargain. We've got TMC as well, and I think they've brought their second-hand again this year. So there'll be some great bargains there. There's some more Kato stuff there and some more layouts. I think we got Hereford Model Centre over the back here. I'm trying to work out where Oxford Rail is, or Oxford Diecast. You might have to check on the map where they are because you don't look like they've started to set up yet. So but as you can see, there's a hell of a lot to do and see. Oh, there's Oxford just there at the back of Hornby. So I took to I didn't see them. So they're between Footplate Models and Hornby, and Hornby's got all their literature showing in the Oxford stand. And you see Jenny there. And Zoe questioning Hornby on any of the new products. So that's it, that's the full look of the show. So like I say, when you come down, if you see me, please feel free to come over and say hello. I'll be on the Pico 200s rail celebration stand with all the modulars. And hopefully you'll all come down and enjoy it as much as it's been so enjoyable just to set it up. So thanks for watching, and I'll do a video over the weekend of the layouts and that. So I've marked off a load of layouts I'm going to do and publish them over the next few weeks. So thank you for stopping by. Stay safe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.